Hi, I'm Professor Ivory. Ever try to make a huge statement but the words come out wrong? Great sentences make again. Doesn't quite have that power, does it? Now, some of the most powerful AIs out there, the big league ones, they see all the words of a sentence at the same time. They're not reading left to right like us mere mortals. So, if it sees the dog, bites, and man all at once, how does it know the original order? How does it know who bit whom?
This is where a clever trick called positional encoding comes in. Think of it like giving each word its own unique street address in the sentence. So, the might be at address number 1, dog at address number 2, bites at number 3, and man at number 4. It's like a little invisible tag that tells the AI where each word lives in the sentence. This address is like a unique signal added to each word. We don't need to get into the nerdy details, but this signal tells the AI exactly where each word stands relative to all the others. So now, even if the AI looks at all words at once, these position signals help it understand the difference between dog bites man and man bites dog. Pretty smart, huh? Remember how we talked about AI turning words into numbers, or embeddings? Positional encoding adds this crucial order information to those numbers. This combined info then helps the attention mechanism figure out which words are most important in context. And these position signals are designed in a really clever way so they work well for both short sentences and super long ones. So, positional encoding is like the AI's secret GPS, making sure it doesn't get lost in the order of words. It's a key ingredient for understanding language. Hope that makes sense. Comment any questions below and subscribe for more AI tips explained. Thanks, and see you next time.